Hey YouTube friends, today I'm going to mount the Haloview camera system, or the monitor, in my vehicle to pair up with the cameras that are on the camper. So Memorial Day weekend we did our first trip with the camper. I didn't film anything, had too much on my mind, but anyway, I had this. First of all, I had it sitting there, didn't work. Then, tried whatever. So I got this camera mount now, kind of similar to my phone mount. And then I also got an extension cord. So I'm going to probably put it back here, because between the where it would sit in the car, I wouldn't get a reading all the time, it would come and go. So I'm guessing it's the the internet or the Wi-Fi or whatever you want to call it, just the reception. So I'm going to make sure that the reception is a little bit better, so I'm going to put it towards the back and then weave the wiring through, and then we'll check everything out. So hang tight, and I'll show you how this is done. So first of all, I hung the wire because it's going to be approximately in this area, the screen. So I kind of hung the and strung it around, and then up here. And what's nice is I don't have to have this hanging. I can put it up here in my sunglass holder or whatever when I'm not using it. And actually, when it's done camping season, sad time of year, I can take this all off, and I don't have to worry about it dangling. So, and it's good. I can still use the sun visor if I need to. So now I'm going to string it to the back and mount the mounting bracket to it. Put a nail in the window, right? Not just kidding. So I'll continue. All right, so we got it hooked up, nothing fancy, got it wired, and again, I can take this off. Oh, there's a ghost in here. Someone closed my door. That's the wind. So yeah, got that. Now we got to hook up the rest, and then we'll check it out and see how well we did. Okay, got the air conditioning going. It's a little warm, no complaints. So now we're gonna get the unboxing. Can you imagine it? That little thing gets scrunched into there. So, and then just like that, it becomes. So, what I want to do is try to see. Stickums on here. There we go. Tighten everything up. There we go. Then we put the little antenna on there. And then we plug it in. And now we're gonna go to, you can see it says no signal because we're not hooked up to the trailer. So let's go to the trailer and hook up and see how well we did. So, gonna go to the trailer, and then I have to make sure I'm plugged in, obviously, to the trailer, and then I am gonna make sure that I'm got my lights on. It's another safety thing. So slow it down. I got a hitch. I just want to touch, so I'm grounded. Okay, I'm touching. I'm gonna go plug it in, and you let me know if that comes on, okay? You know why it didn't come on? Because my lights weren't on. Well, 1 is on, 2 is on, there you go. Look at that. Now I can see. So this is the driver's side, passenger side, and then the back. Is that cool or what? Then I don't have to have extended mirrors. I can see perfectly around the camper. So I know brand new vehicles have this kind of technology, but this was included with the camper when we bought it. So, and now it's on a stable. I can see, I still can kind of see it's not in my way. I can see, you know, and so it's better than having it laying there when we're traveling. But yeah, that's the Haloview camera system. So the next time I go camping or pull the trailer, I will be able to tell what's around me, and you can see nothing is like going in and out, in and out, in and out. So, all right. I appreciate everybody watching. I really do. It means a lot to me. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Take care.